Welcome!
From our home to yours, a cooking channel where professionals from Cooperative Extension show you how to cook delicious, health-promoting recipes that they love. I'm April Payne, Family and Consumer Science Extension Agent with Virginia Cooperative Extension.
Today I'm going to show you a recipe that I love, the rainbow fruit salad. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends that we eat 2 cups of whole fruits and/or 100% fruit juice each day. Whole fruits can be fresh, canned, frozen, or dried.
This recipe helps to meet that goal. It's a wonderful addition to a meal as a side or as a dessert. Fruit salads have almost no fat or sodium and are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Before we begin, let's talk about food safety. You'll want to clean all your food contact surfaces and wash your hands for 20 seconds before you start. Then you'll want to wash all your fresh produce, such as your melons, strawberries, blueberries, and grapes under cold running water. And make sure that you do this very thoroughly to wash off any debris that might be on there.
For today's recipe, we'll be using a half a cantaloupe or other melon, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 banana sliced, 1 cup of strawberries diced, 2 cups of seedless grapes, white or red, 1 nectarine, and for the honey orange sauce, we'll be using 1/3 cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 1/4 a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a dash of nutmeg.
We will be using a cutting technique of chopping. Be sure that you're using a sharp enough knife to prevent the risk of the knife slipping. Keep your fingers tucked into a bear claw to keep from cutting the tips of your fingers at any point. Now we're going to dice these strawberries to make sure that they're small to put into the salad. We want bite-sized pieces.
In a separate bowl, we'll whisk together all the ingredients for the honey orange sauce. If making in advance, be sure to store the fruit and sauce in separate containers and refrigerate them immediately after making.
This is an ideal salad for any time of the year, even when fruits are not in season. You can use canned or frozen fruits. Just make sure to buy canned fruits in their own juices rather than packed with syrup. Fruit salads are stored best without added sauce. So if you're preparing the fruit ahead of time, wait to add the sauce until you're ready. You'll want to add a small amount of lemon juice to prevent fruit like bananas, or maybe if you're using apples, from browning.
Thank you for joining me. For more great videos, check out our YouTube channel. And for information about extension programs in your area, contact your county extension office.